Good morning. Hope everybody had a restful evening. Ready to get this party started for our trades today. Asia last reported up 1.56% for the ASX 200. Nikkei up 1.49%, Kospi up 0.64%. HSI up the most, 2.60%. Shanghai 1.26%. For Europe, am I sharing my screen? Yeah, okay. For Europe, DAX 0.62%, FTSE 0.33%. Everybody's up. CAC up 80.0%. FTSE Milano up 0.98%, up the most out of the group. And stocks 600 up 0.66%. Last reported for the US, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 0.25%. S&P 500 was up 0.74%. NASDAQ was up the most, 1.15%, and Russell 2K, 1.05%. The VIX is down slightly to $13.44. For the pre-market, everybody is up. Dow futures up 0.20%, S&P futures up 0.35%, with the NASDAQ futures being up the most in pre-market, 0.72%. And it looks like Disney CEO opens door to unloading TV assets as linear business struggles. So in terms of our calendar, we have three red folders, all about to start pretty soon. Core PPI is that Producers Purchasing Index. Producer Price Index. Month over month, then the PPI month over month. Unemployment claims is also on this list, and that is at 8:30, 10:30. Natural gas storage 101, the 30-year bond auction. 2 o'clock is the federal budget balance. And then at 4:45, well, 6:45, FOMC Waller speaks. Orange folder, but we'll be out of the day by then. So the main, I guess you could say, the red folders start this morning. They are not sprinkled throughout the day, but you know how that works. And that was for our Forex calendar. I don't know why this thing doesn't just keep what I asked it to keep. For investing.com, today is Thursday. 2 stars started at 4 o'clock this morning. Looks like OPEC monthly reports came out. 8 minutes, we got the continuing jobless claims. 2 stars, obviously, core PPI. Initial jobless claims is 3 stars versus the continuing jobless claims, which is 1 star. Jobless claims 4-week average, 1 star. PPI year over year. Food and energy year over year for June. PPI month over month for June is 3 stars. PPI excluding food, energy, transport is 1 star. Natural gas 4.8. Over here, the 30-year bond auction is just a 1 star. The federal budget balance, though, at 2 o'clock is 2 stars here. Fed's balance sheet is 430. Reserve balances with Federal Reserve banks 430. Waller speaks at 6:45. So for our purposes, 2 o'clock on this side is the last 2 or more star. event. So we definitely have them sprinkled out throughout the day on today. So, as we always say, trade with your head on the swivel and trade what you see. But we definitely have between the two of them, we have enough volatility to be able to say something going down throughout the day. In terms of our earnings, today we have reporting before market today. It did PepsiCo Progressive, which is Progressive Insurance. We got Cintas, which is I don't know from the clothing, but apparently they might do more than that. Conagra, which is foods, Fastenal, Parts, NTI, and is it a WePro? Yeah, I forgot what those two were. Air, and then after close, Air Test Systems, and then Ward Federal Bank, Washington Federal Bank. Friday, here we go. JP Morgan Chase, United Health Corps, CT, Wells Fargo, Ericsson, State Street, BlackRock. Now you're going to start getting to the banks and the the big dogs that control the stock market in real life. That's who is about to start reporting starting this weekend. Or I'm sorry, starting tomorrow. That will take us into the weekend. Give me 1 second and I will pull up and see real quick. The mountainside. Summer's gone. So yesterday, ESF broke out a textbook 3-week ascending triangle pattern as expected. My target for the first leg up was 45.25, and we've been basing here for 22 hours. Plan today, keep trailing stocks up. 45.20 now support, looking for 45.34, 45.42 next. 45.20 fails. We dip to 45.6. 44.93. All right. So, wait. Is Arlissa on the phone? Right before I was call before I start.
Yeah, she is, but she's struggling with them lyrics.
What lyrics?
In that song, I'm not sure what song that is, but I can hear all the words of the song. It's competing with you.
The lyrics to what song?
There's a song playing. Can you not hear it?
Saida said she couldn't hear no music. You can hear music?
Yes, and I hear all the words.
Really?
And the lyrics aren't bad. It's just you're competing with them.
The music plays when you talk. When you don't talk, we can't hear it.
Oh, wow.
Are you serious right now?
Yep.
Yes. Yes, we're serious right now.
Yes,
all right. Well, thank y'all for telling me. I didn't know it was happening because I asked Saida because she hear music. She was like, no. I'm like, oh, okay. Well, we must not be on. All right. Well, good looking out, people. I have no idea what song you were listening to, so I don't even know what was.
It doesn't sound like a bad song. It's we hear it, so we're hearing.
It's actually instrumental music.
Oh, there's words. There's definitely singing happening.
Really? Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't bump and grind.
No, it's not bump and grind.
Oh,
it's It's instrumentally. It's just we can hear whatever words they're saying.
All right. Well, thank you for letting me know. But I can hear Jack. Anyway,
really? Where's you playing the music? Aren't you playing the music?
It is. Yeah, the short answer is yes. But like I said, I thought it was playing earlier, and when Saidi said no, I just assumed that it couldn't be heard. I didn't know it was playing while I was talking.
Yeah.
Which is kind of weird, but good to know. Any hoodles?
Yeah. Any hoodles?
What is going on for announcements?
This evening we're gonna have the cohort 3 of the options folks are going to do their last like roundup and everything that's going to happen this evening. Don't forget Saturday, we have our, what are we doing? We have coaching on Saturday. We're going to have that. That's about it.
You don't sound confident at all.
I'm trying to remember. So
Really?
2:00 live. We're doing 2:00 live today. I'm debating between. I'm still working on the topic for today. Debating between the advantages and disadvantages of options, or going into the on-demand, or doing an on-demand tutorial. So we'll see.
The advantage or disadvantages of what now?
I'm doing options. Advantages
Versus
and disadvantages of options
versus stocks, you mean?
versus shares, or just in itself.
Okay. All right.
Mhm. Maybe the
And
pros and cons of options. Maybe not disadvantage, but pros and cons of options.
Yeah, let's do pros and cons of options.
Mhm. I was leaning toward that one too.
Even though I do think that we really need some back testing type stuff as well. So both I think either one of those would be good. Whatever the
Well,
spirit
not
leads
for-
you to do. Whatever the spirit needs.
Yeah. Back testing kind of comes with just like in the community. For me, like the purpose of the 2:00 live at this point is to cover like the basic topics. So basics of options. So if we start getting deep into stuff, then they need to be in a different place. You know what I mean? It's like covering the basics of options in order to pull people into the community.
I got you. Basically, you want to tell them about Jesus, but not give them a Bible class. Makes sense.
Yeah, I want to mention Jesus to them. He's a good God. Yes, he is. He is a good God. Yeah, I want to do that.
and then you come here to rest on Tuesday and Thursday for Bible class. I got you.
Yes,
I understand the system. I understand the system. I was
that's the
raised on the
plan.
system. Okay.
Yes, me too.
So, all right. Well, y'all heard it here first. 2:00. We're gonna be doing some somethings.
I do appreciate everybody who comes, though. Everybody who comes and just turns on your thing, whether you listen or you're, just letting it play. I appreciate that because my watch time is going up, and I'm being noticed by YouTube. So when they're noticing, they definitely will push more people. Recommend more people. It's weird because I don't do a lot of shorts, but most of the people are finding me through shorts. And maybe that's because YouTube is pushing shorts more than regular comment. But the majority of the people who found me have found me through shorts. So,
YouTube is doing their own little whatever you call it. I need one of you musically inclined people to please get this child an opening song. Because she keeps creating these songs live and then says she hates that. No, I don't like that one. It needs a little more bump. Bump. You know what? I don't like that one either. Like, wait a minute. Is this how Dr. Dre do his stuff too? Like,
hey, I just go with the inspiration of the moment.
Like, she straight tosses all the ones that she got. So I need one of y'all to help her out.
As you know, the one I keep using, the 2:00 live.
And that's what I was about to say. She wants 2:00 live. That's the part we know for sure.
But that one seems to keep sticking. It keeps sticking. So I don't know.
I need one of y'all to give her hook her up with some organ or something back there.
Give me a hook or something. You can do it. You're musical. Man. You can do it.
Not on no keyboards. I'm drums, honey.
Okay.
I'm
you get the guitar. Give me a little guitar.
Oh Lord Jesus! Look, Calhoun Tubbs is me. That would be what I would be doing. Yes, ma'am.
I wrote a little song. I want to hear it go.
Yeah, exactly. I was about to say, if y'all didn't watch The Living Color, you have no idea what I'm talking about right now. But that dude was David Allen Greer was hilarious.
I think almost everybody on this call has seen In Living Color. I
I
don't
don't
know.
know, fam.
Yeah.
We assuming ages at this point. You know what I'm saying?
Well, most of us are around the same age as me and you.
I hope.
Yeah.
Or otherwise, I just dated myself.
It's okay. I'm all right with being 53. I'm cool with
This
that.
Joker is half a century. All right,
Yep.
so you got the remixed version, the Mancini mix, featuring our DJ Arlissa. Yesterday, SPX broke out a textbook 3-week ascending triangle pattern as expected. My target for the first leg up was 44.90, and we've been basing here for 22 hours. Plan today, keep trailing stops, 45.07 now support. Looking for 44.99, 45.07 next. 44.85 fails, we dip, baby, to 44.71, 44.58. All right, is everybody clear on that? Everybody at peace with those numbers?
Did y'all see in the chat? I put a video from Laxman. Laxman loaded a video this morning as an update for today. So if any those of you who follow and watch Laxman videos, this is the first middle of the week video he's released to the world in a while. Usually he releases them just to his community, but today he did a middle of the week video and put it for the world to see.
So we got, well, if this is world premiere, we got to treat it like Michael Jackson used to do his videos in the 90s.
Yep.
Dude came out with, remember the time everybody was sitting in their chairs waiting to see what this was going to be.
We was all remembering the time.
Look,
Yeah.
okay, like, man. And he had Magic Johnson wearing a helmet that looked like it was made of Cheerios. All of this, like, I wanted a bowl of cereal after seeing them hats. Like,
Michael, gone too soon.
Way too soon. I am going to post these in the chat as per our usual modus operandi. Anybody got any questions, comments, concerns? Anything else? Arlissa?
Nothing else from me.
Calendar.
I'm at home today, so I can answer more chats than I was able on previous days. We had finished our packet for the week, and I told the students they could have the day off so they could do their reassessments. They're getting the opportunity to retest from the test last week, but it's interesting because they thought they were, the retest included these reassessment worksheets. And they went like it was going to be, no big deal. Well, the reassessment worksheet for each topic is probably 20 problems per topic, and there's 5 topics. So if you
that's 100 questions?
It could be. I mean, if you read, you don't have to, but you don't have to reassess on everything. You're only reassessing on the things you need. So
got you. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So if you did fine on 4 sections and 1 section you need to reassess, then you got to do the worksheet in order to do the reassessment. So some of them were like, but then they have to do the reassessment in the little tutoring center. And they're like, it's a lot of work and there's not enough time. And it's like, well, the time you probably should have took was before the test.
Yeah.
So you would have been, ready.
While you was on your cell phone during class, players.
Right. Yeah. So they did that the first go round. They're doing their first reassessment today, which is the school didn't offer reassessments before this summer. They're only like piloting it, I guess you could say. And I'm
COVID made that happen.
You should consider yourself blessed because the people before you didn't get no retest. You tested, you got what you got, and you moved on. So
COVID was like, we done failed so epically. We need to make sure we can catch you up.
Right, because we've got students coming out of high school who are totally not ready.
Right. Absolutely right. All right, everybody. The E2T Daily Declaration. By faith, I am a successful trader. I'm a wise and knowledgeable trader. I make smart and lucrative decisions for my portfolios. Money likes me because money is comfortable around me. It is drawn to me. Do a quick check. Premarket before we bounce off the call. Let's see what has happened since we've been on the call. Dow futures at 0.19% up, S&P futures 0.34% up, and NASDAQ futures 0.70% up. And the VIX is at 1349, which I believe is a little bit lower than what it was when we started the call. All right, E2T daily prayer. Lord, give us wisdom and knowledge for our trades today. Help us to make smart and lucrative decisions for our portfolios. Okay, everybody, we got a couple landmines scattered throughout the day. So be careful and make sure that you are keeping track of what is happening. We will be in the Telegram group. 2:00 is the live at Educator2Trader on YouTube, and we will see you for Power Hour in the Telegram group, 3:00 Eastern. Live, by the way, is 2 p.m. Eastern. And I'm saying that because I'm trying to encourage Arlissa to continue to say Eastern time, since her audience is global and somebody in
goodness.
Bahrain might be watching. And you
I do
really
have a
wanna
UK guy.
See, you want to make
Mhm.
sure you let them know it's 2 p.m. American Eastern time.
Okay. Okay.
People in Pacific time zone don't they'd appreciate it.
Yes.
All right, y'all have a great day, and let us know if you need anything in the chat box. You all have a good one.
All right. Goodbye, everybody.
Have a
Thanks,
good one.
Jamie.
Yippers.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Yippers.
Real quick, I just wanted to come on. This is Arlissa, Educator to Trader. Wanted to come on and tell you and ask you, I guess, to like and subscribe to the channel. If you like the content that I create and I'm, posting regularly, then go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss anything and you can be a part of all that we're doing here. I'm a coach to sellers. I'm an option sellers coach. If that's a vein that you don't know anything about or you want to know more about, then go ahead, subscribe and check us out all the time. All right. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.